Okay, this is our new Rutland 914 wind generator. Note that I've put a little black mark on the end of one of the blades, just one of the blades, because we're having a problem with it binding. So if we kick it off and get it spinning.
Which way?
No, the other way. Yeah, it'll come back and it'll come to a dead stop, and the black blade will be pointing right at the camera.
It's down at the bottom.
That's it right there. Okay, so it's clearly got a bind in it. It's just a little bind. It's and now it's free. So well, that is pretty significant, I guess. But here you can see it coming through here. That's
Honey,
where it binds up.
you're not showing it.
Oh.
Get your hand up there.
Okay. Coming back. That's where it binds up, and you can feel it being bound up a little, and then it frees up right about there. So maybe 30, 40 degrees. From right at that point, that's the one with the black mark. It's got a bind. Other than that, it spins free. It'll bind up again right there.
And there's that.
Yeah. So there's a problem. And we didn't do it. So now what? There you go, stopped.